How to fix Facebook not showing friend suggestions. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix Facebook not showing friends suggestions. So before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First of all, head over to your Facebook. Open up your Facebook app. And here, if you head over to your friends section, you will find a suggestion section on the top. If you don't see it and if you don't have it like I don't in mine, what we'll need to do is we'll need to head over to our menu. Tap on the menu on the bottom right. And after that, we'll need to head over to settings. So scroll down and you'll find settings and privacy. Expand on that and then tap on settings. After tapping on settings, you'll find Meta's account center. Tap on see more in account center and Meta's account center should open up. Now what we'll need to do is scroll down and there you'll find your information and permissions. Tap on that. Inside there you'll find an option. Now the option that you'll need to choose is upload contacts. Now select your account and toggle the button on. What this will do is, depending on your contacts, it will find people or friends and mutuals and it will start showing you. And since if they don't have any information on you, they won't be able to suggest you any friends. So this is the only way. So upload your contacts and then your friend suggestions will start showing up. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.